If you're seeing this error window, Windows is blocking AccuRIP from installing the printer driver. No worries, it's an easy fix. I'll walk you through it. Open the Start menu by clicking the Windows icon. Type Control Panel until it appears, then click it. Now click View Devices and Printers. Click Add a Printer. Wait for it to finish loading, then click The printer that I want isn't listed. Select Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click Next. In the Use an existing port field, choose AccuRIP Ruby Port standard TCP/IP port from the drop-down menu. If the port is not listed, rerun the installer. Click Next. Click Have Disk. Click Browse. Navigate to C drive, Program Files x86, Fawkes Engineering, then AccuRIP Ruby. Select AccuRIPRuby.inf. Click Open. Click OK. Select AccuRIP Ruby to your printer model from the list. Click Next. Click Next. Click Yes. Click Install. Click Next. Do not click Print a Test Page. Now click Finish. Open AccuRIP and run the configuration wizard. The printer driver will now install. Happy printing. Freehand and you, together we got this.